In this video, you'll learn how to create recurring transactions in QuickBooks Online so you can automate repetitive tasks and save time while keeping your records accurate. Start by going to the gear icon in the top right corner of QuickBooks Online. From the menu that appears, choose Recurring Transactions. This opens the Recurring Transactions Center, where you can see any templates you've already created. Think of this page as your control room for everything that repeats. When you're ready to add a new one, click New in the top right. QuickBooks will ask you to choose the transaction type. Select the one you need, such as an invoice, sales receipt, expense, bill, check, or journal entry, then click OK. This determines which form you'll complete next, along with the scheduling options. You'll now see the transaction form with the recurring template panel. Give your template a clear name so you can easily recognize it later. Next, choose the template type. Scheduled will automatically create and post the transaction on the dates you set. Reminder will notify you so you can review it before posting. Unscheduled saves the template for use anytime without a fixed schedule. Set the interval based on how often the transaction occurs, whether daily, weekly, monthly, or custom, and choose the appropriate day. You can also set a start date and either an end date or a number of occurrences if needed. Then complete the transaction details just like you normally would. For invoices, select the customer, products or services, rates, and taxes. For bills or expenses, choose the vendor, category or item details, amounts, and taxes if applicable. If you use classes, locations, or memos, include them for consistent reporting. You can also enable automatic emailing for invoices if you want QuickBooks to send them automatically. Before saving, double-check the amounts, dates, and template type to ensure everything is correct. If you're trying this for the first time, using the reminder option is a safe way to review entries before they're posted automatically. Once everything looks good, save the template. You'll return to the Recurring Transactions list where you can view schedules, edit templates, or make them inactive when no longer needed. That's how you create recurring transactions in QuickBooks Online and keep your workflow consistent and efficient.